Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is holy and He Jalla Jalaluhu does not accept but a pure thing. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu issued the same orders to the Muslims, what He Jalla Jalaluhu issued to Apostles alayhimus salam, and said, O Apostles, consume pure things and do good deeds. I am well aware of your deeds. Surah Mu'minun verse 51. And He Jalla Jalaluhu said, O Muslims, eat our pure things provided to you. Surah Baqarah verse 172. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then mentioned a man who undertakes a long journey, whereas his hair are dirt, caked, and raising his hand towards the sky, invokes, O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu. How will his invocation be granted when his victuals are unlawful, his clothes are unlawful, and his food is unlawful? Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2343.